Elevate your culinary creations with the Creuset Stoneware Heritage Covered Rectangular Casserole. This stunning 4-quart dish, in a vibrant cerise color, isn't just beautiful. It's built to perform. Its premium stoneware ensures even heating, eliminating hot spots for perfectly browned, evenly cooked meals every time. Superior heat retention keeps your dishes warm for serving, whether it's a comforting casserole or a delightful dessert. The non-porous, non-reactive glaze is scratch-resistant, stain-resistant, and won't absorb flavors, making cleanup a breeze. Its smooth interior effortlessly releases food and resists cracking. And with unmatched thermal resistance from -9 degrees Fahrenheit to 500 degrees Fahrenheit, it's freezer, oven, microwave, broiler, and dishwasher safe, even with metal utensils. Imagine the compliments you'll receive serving your signature dishes in this exceptional casserole. Ready to upgrade your kitchen? Visit our product page now and experience the Creuset difference.